Done na my meatball, guys. I'm gonna cook this one later for spaghetti, and just now I'm done making a balls. Spaghetti later for dinner for them. Done frying na my meatball, guys. Ready now for the sauce. This one, ayan oh. Guys, ito na yung sauce ng meatballs ko ng spaghetti. Nilagyan ko siya ng cheese. Ayan. Ito na yun, guys, yung sauce. Kasya kaya dito yung spaghetti ko. Spaghetti noodles, letter. So creamy siya. Sana hindi maalat. Okay. Ito na, guys. Luto na yung spaghetti ko. The cheese. May cheese spaghetti with meatballs. My homemade meatballs. Thank you for watching.